welcome back to our channel, friends, and today we are going to do this tutorial. So yes, this is a wall clock which was a custom order and मैंने बनाया था around 4-5 years पहले. So I just thought of sharing this tutorial with you all. So पहले मैंने यहाँ पर MDF base लिया है and इसके ऊपर मैंने white acrylic paint लगाया था, but it's better you guys use the white gesso because at that time I was the beginner. I didn't knew the difference between the acrylic paint and gesso and मैंने बहुत सारे blunders किए थे, but then this actually worked out pretty well because जो मैंने chalk paints पे यूज़ किया था they were of really good quality. So literally मुझे chalk paints ने बचा लिया. So yes, I was super excited कि मैं सही शेक के लिए नेम प्लेट बना रही हूँ and there were like a few more custom orders which I did for him, but this is one of my favorites. So I hope you guys will enjoy this, and just in case if you guys are a Shahir Sheikh's fan like me, then please do let me in the comment section. And so yeah, so ये wall clock बनाने के लिए पहले मैंने apply किया है gesso. So you guys need to do the gesso. Then after it's 2-3 coats of gesso, यहाँ पर मैं use कर रही हूँ मेरा chalk paint. So I actually knew what kind of color combination I wanted to have in my wall clock, and that is the reason I directly opted for my chalk paint. Now the chalk paint what I have used is completely matte, and once it dries out I am going to do my massive stamping. This is very important. Use your permanent ink pads. I am using a black one. You can use any color of the ink pads. They go really well with your projects. So मैं बीच में फोटोग्राफ लगाकर चेक कर रही हूँ that I am like making sure कि मैं जितने भी एरियाज हैं मैं उसको अच्छे से कवर कर लूँ. I should not like leave any of the empty spaces. So once my stamping work is done, then I'm going to move on to the sticking part. And of course massive stamping करने के पहले you have to make sure that you use your permanent ink pads. अब यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफ स्टिक करने के लिए here I have taken out my decoupage glue, and I'm going to make sure कि मैं generous amount of decoupage glue लगाऊँ, and then I'm going to stick it. Now this is one of the easiest way of doing your decoupage art. You can stick your pictures, newspaper cutouts, decoupage papers, napkins, what not. But then of course हर एक की technique अलग होती है. You guys can check out our YouTube channel for such options, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So अब यहाँ पे हमारा पिक्चर स्टिक कर देने के बाद then I'm going to use my sand paper. जो भी extra paper portions हैं I'm going to literally trim this off, and trust me it is going to work out pretty well. So sand paper use करने से आपके जितने भी extra portions हैं वो निकल जाएंगे, and it is going to look very neat and clean. अब sides में जो भी हमारा part है frame का the clock का, so I am going to do my massive stamping. Please do make sure जब भी आप frames या wall clock बना रहे हैं जो sides edges होते हैं उनको भी अच्छे से finish करें, because that is something which is going to be very much visible. So here once I am done with it, I'm just going to give a little bit of shadow effect, and इसके लिए मैं यहाँ पर use कर रही हूँ मेरे chalk paints. I'm using the grey and the pink, and I'm just make sure कि मैं थोड़ा shadow effect दे दूँ इस picture को, and it is going to look way like neat, clean and so real. So yes, this is a very simple technique. You can add water to your chalk paints. Please do use your chalk paints, no acrylic paints, because it doesn't work out pretty well with your decoupage and your mixed media art. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैंने मेरे chalk paint को थोड़ा dilute किया है. I have just added some water, and then I'm going to just give a bit of shadow effect about a border around my picture, and this looks pretty natural after this effect. So जो भी मैंने supplies यूज़ की उनके links मैंने video description box में डाल दी हैं. You guys can check our website growingcraft.com for all these supplies. Finally here I'm using my metallic chalk paint, and मैं सिर्फ इसको brush off कर रही हूँ. You can see that how nicely I am just brushing it off, and just to give it a nice edgy background look. This is what I am going to do, and you have to make sure कि जब भी आप अपने decoupage project में काम कर रहे हैं, और when you are working with the layers, each layer dries out pretty well, then only move on to the next layer. अगर आपके layers dry नहीं होंगे, then your colors are going to blend in and you are not going to get the exact effect. So once my brushing off is done, then I am going to use my varnish. So इसमें if you want, you can do a lot of stencil work, you can do a lot of stamping work, you can use your transfer sheets and what not. So here just to save my picture from ruining over the time, मैं यहाँ पे अपने decoupage glue का एक और कोट लगाऊंगी, and then I will be doing the varnish. Now this is a very simple technique for saving your pictures. Otherwise आप कोई भी print लो किसी भी medium से में, it is going to fade away. So just to keep your picture safer, this is one of the easiest tip. So here I'm done with my everything, and finally I'm going to give a nice coat of varnish, and then it is going to get ready and it is going to look amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this session. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. I will be more than happy to know. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you. Take care and bye bye.